It's been an hour yet? No, it's been like what? 3 seconds? Oh god, I want this thing right now. I don't want to wait anymore. Grinch, how much more minutes? I'm hot. I'm sweating. I don't know what's Grinch. Where are you? I'm over here. And I'm waiting for my crush. Which is her. That's my true love. I'm gonna ask her out. Anyways, dude, not the way because of Amazon. Fine. I'm gonna sleep. What's been not worth it? Just 10 more minutes and then it's ready. Can you all please hurry up? I don't want to wait anymore. I'm sweating. I need to get tan. It's okay if I sit a little bit here. Fine. Okay, now I have to ask her out so I think it's my girlfriend. Alright, I'm gonna ask her in the Valentine's episode on February 14th. See ya. Oh! How many minutes more? Let me see my watch. Goofy. Now you play this, but 1 second. It's right. It's here. Oh my god, let's do this! 1 hour later. Okay, the air conditioner's ready. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's my iPad. Oh yeah, come on, go Alexos. Let's do this. Yeah. Look at the window. Pretty. Okay, let me put it on my butt. My butt! I think I got my lesson. Look, let's just end the video. Okay, bye.